In this video, I will show you how to set up cycle tracking in Apple Health. First, open your Apple Health app on your iPhone. At the bottom right of the screen, tap on Browse. From the list of categories, type on Cycle Tracking, then tap Get Started. Here, you can fill out your details, like when your last period started, how long it usually lasts, and other cycle information. If you don't want to enter everything right away, you can simply skip and come back later. Next, you can choose to turn on or off features like period notifications, fertile window estimates, and other log options, depending on what works best for you. Once you've set everything, you will see your cycle timeline appear. Finally, just tap Done and your cycle tracking setup is complete. And that's how to set up cycle tracking in Apple Health.